นะ Okay. Transformation is a chapter that's examinable in SPM Modern Maths as well as O-Level IGCSE Maths. So basically, shear and stretch have been removed from the syllabus. So the 4 things you do now are reflection, translation, enlargement, and also rotation. So let's look at reflection, which is quite simple. Let's say this is our base figure A. We have an image C there, and we are asked to look for the axis here. That will be x equal to -1. So please remember, things that are parallel, lines that are parallel to y-axis, the equation will look like x equal to -1. So C will be a reflection in the line x equal -1. Same thing here, A and B. It's slightly tricky, but if you have the ability to imagine, quickly draw a 45 degrees line, these scales will be the same, and call that reflection in the line y equal to x. Reflection y equal to x, and be careful when you draw, all the normals must be 90 degrees. The second thing is translation. Translation means there is no change in orientation. The shape does not change in size, does not change in shape, and it does not rotate. So A to D is a translation. So let's say we take the vertex here, we start counting. So horizontally 2, 3 is +3. Going down is -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So D, right, is translation, and the translation vector is 3, -10. So it's good that you write translation somewhere. Right? Name it, translation. Translation. Okay. The third one is slightly tricky. If I give you an enlarged image of A there, what you can do is this, join this point to its image, alright, and you can see that this is an important point there, alright, and if I join this point, sorry, it was not the point. This, and produce it backwards, produce it backwards, produce it backwards, and take the longest one, right, image to object. So you must talk about 3 things in enlargement, and when it's reduction also you call it enlargement, but the scale factor will be less than 1. So this diagram here, which I shall call it E, right? So E is an enlargement, so get 1 point for saying it's enlargement, right? Center, right? If you can find the center, this is the point, 610. So you get your second mark. 610. You cannot get a center also, please say the scale factor. Please say the scale factor. That one is quite easy. So out of 3, at least you'll get 2. Look at this. This is 1, 2, 3 units. It became 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the scale factor is 3 times. Alright, so each of these questions is worth 3 marks. Let's go to the last one. This is rotation. Something that students can find difficult. Right. Let's make it easy. Let's take the center at 0, 0. What you can do is you can take your ruler, or you can take your set square or protractor, if it's going around 90 degrees, get that point first. Normally you can count like this. Yeah? This side is 2, that side is 4. So when you rotate 90 degrees clockwise, this will be 2, that will be 4. Now once you get that point, you can cheat. Yeah? This cheating is allowed. Look at this side. Yeah? This side is 2 units like that. So after 90 degrees, you must be horizontal. So I would draw this. And the minute I draw this, I think all the rest are out. Yeah, all the rest are out. Yeah? Because that 3 cm line or 3 unit line should come here. And this line will come there. Alright, so I draw first, then I will double check. Yeah? Then I will double check, it should be correct. Yeah? So let's say I'm going to put a point here. Consider this point, yeah? So at 90 degrees, yes, it does give me that point. And then I'm comfortable. Huh? Then I'm comfortable. So this is called rotation 90 degrees clockwise. Huh? Clockwise. Alright, so you can say center of rotation in this case, 0, 0. Alright, I want to just raise one more point. There's one rotation which is 180 degrees, and that is very simple. Alright, so it is just like reflection about the point of rotation only. So this becomes that, and I think I can draw already. Alright, so if this guy becomes there, and if you are not sure, you can keep drawing. Yeah. So this one is like this. Okay. Alright, so that guy goes there. If I come here, what happens to this guy? This guy is there, so I think I'm quite comfortable now. Right? Looks a little bit funny. I have to be careful. So this guy goes there. This line comes here. So this will go here. 3 units. Alright. So for this shape, just say it is rotation 180 degrees. There's no need to say clockwise or anti-clockwise, because 180 both are the same, about the origin. Okay, and one more thing before I forget. When we did enlargement just now, if the scale factor is 3, right, then the area of the big one over the small one will be 3 square. Alright, so please remember that. So the area is 9 times. Thank you.